Hey guys, I'm Joanna. Today we're going to be
I'm Kim.
rude. I thought this might have been a bad top choice. Just because my head just melts into the background because I'm so pale. Hi everyone, I'm Joanna and today we're going to be talking about The Ordinary, which I know a lot of you have been wondering about. We get lots and lots of questions about The Ordinary. So today we're going to cover what's in the range and which products to use for different skin types and concerns and the ingredients that you shouldn't use together. Nailed it, I'm done, see ya. So the main thing that differentiates The Ordinary from other skincare ranges is that they use isolated ingredients so that you can tailor your skincare routine to your skin type and concerns. So for example, in ASAP's Super B complex, you'll find ingredients like hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and B5. Whereas in the Ordinary range, you've got two serums for that. So you've got the hyaluronic acid plus B5 and you've got the niacinamide 10%. So you'd use those two serums together to get similar effects to the one serum in the ASAP Super B complex. So there's a number of different product categories in the Ordinary's range, which include the cleanser, hydrators and oils, direct acids, retinoids, peptides, vitamin C, antioxidants, and more molecules. And you'll also find in the range the Ordinary colors, which are the foundations, and a range of primers. So first up, we've got the Squalane Cleanser. I really love this cleanser. It's excellent for removing makeup and impurities on the skin, and it's really gentle as well, so I often recommend it for sensitive skin types. The range of hydrators and oils are designed to target the signs of dehydration and dryness. Your direct acids are chemical exfoliants designed to gently resurface the skin. Then we've got your retinoids, which are vitamin A-derived ingredients designed to target the signs of aging as well as textural irregularities. So if you want to know more about vitamin A, I've already done a video on that, which you can watch up here. Don't you put it up there? It goes up the top. Maddie will know. Then we've got your peptides, which are cell-communicating ingredients, and they also have anti-aging properties. Then we've got a range of vitamin Cs to target the signs of pigmentation, dullness, dark spots, and discoloration in the skin. We've got a few antioxidants, which prevent free radical damage, which can contribute to the signs of premature aging. Then in the more molecules range, we've got niacinamide, which targets oily and congested skin as well as dullness. And we've also got the caffeine solution, which targets darkness under the eyes. Done. On to the next thing. So at this point you might be wondering, what the hell do I use on my skin to target my concerns? So we've put together a guide for you. These are the products that The Ordinary recommend for a few different skin types and concerns. So for younger skin just starting on a skincare routine, so maybe in your late teens, early 20s, an excellent group of products to start with are the Squalane Cleanser, hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5, or marine hyaluronics. Oh, I can't lift that finger. It looks like a claw. Alright, I can't lift this finger, so I'm just going to go to 5. And to round out that routine, the Natural Moisturising Factors Moisturiser, or you can get all of that stuff in the daily set, which is an excellent starter kit for anyone just starting on skincare.
I like your nails, by the way.
Thanks, I did them myself.
What are they, a Japanese flag?
I just love Japan. I didn't even think of that. Now for mature skin, the products that we'd recommend using are either retinol 0.5 or 1% in Squalane, Matrixyl 10% plus HA, resveratrol 3% plus ferulic acid 3%, that is a mouthful, and then 100% organic cold pressed seed oil. I've composed myself and found another way to show 4. The last product is 100% organic cold pressed rose hip seed oil. For dry skin types, some great products to use are the amino acids plus B5 and any of the oils, particularly the 100% cold pressed Moroccan argan oil. I'm hungry. For oily skin types, I really recommend a product with vitamin B3 or niacinamide in it. So the niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1% is a great product to use for oily skin types. The salicylic acid mask 2% is also excellent to use on any oily or congestion-prone areas. And then the 100% plant-derived Squalane will keep your skin hydrated without feeling too oily. If you want a bit more guidance on an oily skincare routine, Hannah's filmed her own skincare routine, which you can find on our channel. And I've also filmed a video for you on vitamin B3, which is niacinamide. For more sensitive skin types, The Ordinary recommend using their 100% organic cold pressed borage seed oil or their 100% organic virgin chia seed oil. Both of these oils are great at nourishing and soothing sensitive skin types, but with any product, if you've got more sensitive skin, I do recommend patch testing a product before you use it. To brighten up dull skin, we want to start with the lactic acid 5 or 10% with HA, the glycolic acid 7% toning solution, the 100% cold pressed virgin marula oil, the 100% organic virgin sea buckthorn fruit oil, and or the pycnogenol 5%. I had to look up the pronunciation yesterday. And then to help with those dark circles, use the caffeine solution 5% plus ECGC. And if you just want to invest in a few key products, some of my favourite all-rounders from the range are the Squalane Cleanser, the Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5, I always recommend that one, Marine Hyaluronics, 100% plant-derived squalane, the bee oil, the Buffet Serum, and the Natural Moisturising Factors plus HA Moisturiser is a great option for anyone looking for affordable skincare. Now for which products you shouldn't mix. The Essenza will be different depending on what skincare range you're using, but in the case of The Ordinary, they recommend not mixing the following products. Do not mix these. Make it into a TikTok? Follow me on TikTok. No, I don't do anything on there. I'm too old for it.
I know somebody said okay boomer to my video.
What?
I'm like,
Did they actually?
Yeah.
You're not even 30. We're too old for it. Do not mix these. So peptides and niacinamides shouldn't be mixed with the direct vitamin C's in the range. They don't recommend layering any of the retinoids with each other, which we also covered in our vitamin A video if you haven't seen it. And also avoid layering the direct acids with peptides. As a general rule of thumb, and then can you just zoom up on that so that we can cut that in? As a general rule, to avoid confusion, I generally use my vitamin C's in the morning with hydrating ingredients, and then I use my anti-aging ingredients like peptides at night. So that's some basics on The Ordinary. I hope that answered a few of your questions. If you do have any further questions, you can always ask our customer service team or comment on the video below and we'll get back to you. I'll get back to you. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you get a notification when we upload a new video. That's it. See you next time. See ya.